This is the Kershaw Blue Mini Beaner. It's model 1002BLX. This is a small version of the Kershaw Carabiner tool. It's got a built-in knife blade on the handle, and this model has blue teflon coated on the handle. Whenever you open the knife blade, as you can see, it sort of doubles as a handle. It even has finger grooves in the so-called handle. The knife blade is razor sharp. It's 2 inches long, and it's made out of 420 J2 stainless steel. It's got a non-load bearing spring hitch on it, so that way you can attach your carabiner to just about anything. That's the Kershaw Mini Beaner. It's the blue model, and it's model 1002BLX.